Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be putting together the 28-inch round wood burning fire pit by Mainstays, and this is a Walmart product. I got this from Walmart. Um, the cost was $42, and it seems to be, I like the way it looks. It says it's going to be easy to assemble, so we're going to see just how easy it really is. And it comes with a couple of different things. It comes with a cover for the actual fire pit. It comes with a spark screen, a lifter, and it's supposed to be wood granite. The pictures are really nice. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and just really get a better idea of what it looks like. So here we go. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get all of my pieces laid out and go through and get my tools that I need, and we're going to get started. Okay, you guys, so we got all of our pieces laid out, and now we're going to go ahead and do step one, which is the spark screen. Here is step one, which I have to take this little bolt and this little handle out of the pack. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to go ahead and get part one done. Okay, we're going to move on to part two, which is the fire bowl. Okay, you guys, so now I have all four of the legs on the bottom of the fire pan, and now we're going to get started on the ring portion. Okay, you guys, so putting this ring on was a little, not difficult, but it took a little more time, especially when you're doing it by yourself. So what I actually did was I lined up each of the holes, put the screw in just a little bit, enough to hold it, and then we're going to go back and actually tighten up each bolt to the actual leg. Okay, you guys, and here is the finished product. It is actually bigger than what I thought it was going to be. And it is really nice. The I like the inside decor, or whatever you want to call that, of it. And it sits up pretty high. So, and it looks a lot like the box, the picture on the box. So I actually really do like it. I'm gonna get some help from my brother to help get it moved outside and see if he will go ahead and light a fire for me, and we're gonna see how it looks. Okay, you guys, so I'm waiting on my brother to help me move. We'll get this thing moved outside, and this thing really looks nice. And it did not really take 30 minutes to put it together. More, maybe like 20 minutes or so. And I actually did this by myself with no help. Okay, you guys, and here is the finished product. My brother got it moved out to the patio and got a fire going, and it looks really nice outside on the patio. So here you go. So that's my video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe.